I get a little travel star right here. Just a travel star travel trailer. So what we're doing is he's having trouble with these slide outs. So he said, just replace them. So what we do on slide out, not the slide outs, but the roofing. What we do on these, this piece of trim is right here. There's another one that comes on top. We just took it out. But this is the way they secure them down. So they roll the roof, and this roofing just barely goes under it. And then they put the piece there, and the piece is just sitting much like this is. Right here, see where my thumb is, right? Just sitting there, and you see, look at there. Whew, that don't look well either. But anyhow, then they just screw it down, and they put the tape on there. So after a while, going in and out, it's going to hit this sweep gasket. As it hits the sweep gasket, it starts to compromise the tape. So you can see it, again, I stress, and I stress, and I stress. I'll get up one more rung here. Primer, need primer, doesn't stick, need primer. But anyhow, it failed so bad, you can see what we got under here, right? So we're gonna see, I don't like that. We're gonna see, it feels solid. I don't wanna see what that is. If it's just, and some of it seems like it's maybe a little bit of glue, or it's just, oh, it's gotta be dampness. You can see it right here. See, so there's still moisture up underneath this thing. So now we're gonna take it out. What we do, as much as I like TPO roofs that we put on all our coaches, I don't do them to these because it's still going to slide in and out. Now if you get a maybe an acorn or a twig as this thing is coming in, caught between here and the roof, you could potentially poke a hole in it. So I don't want to have that problem at all. So we're going to make up a metal roof. It's going to be all metal. And I'm going to make all the flashing detail. We're going to build it all in there, and it'll be done. And he selected light stone was the color, which is pretty close to this. It's kind of like a vanilla looking type, and like a cream. So, but what we got to do is find out what's going on with this mess, because I'm not going over that, of course. So we're in the inside now, taking apart all the fascia trim because we need all that gone. And then over here we're going to be doing this other one. So this is how they do them. See, there's a piece of metal. This one's secured in there, and now, and you can see he's already tried to patch this a couple of times. He says he's had a lot of trouble with that. So again, we're going to take this piece off. We're going to take the front piece off here, take all that out, take that membrane off. We're going to build a new roof system for it, and obviously we'll be sealing all this as well. He doesn't have any awning toppers. They do help to try to keep some of the twigs off, but you put the metal on there, you don't have any issues with it. You don't really need that awning topper either. So it would be smart to get up here before you leave and, you know, blow it off. They have battery operated blowers now. You just get a little ladder and blast it off, and then you can, you know, close her back up, right? So, and then, you know, just as a courtesy, we'll probably go over here. I see a little issue right there already. You can see the dark spot in it. So we'll be looking at that. And then another issue that I see is right here at that antenna. And I'll bet there's some water getting in here. Can't quite reach. There you go. See? Water will get right down in that hole right there. It'll trickle down. So we're going to load it, and we'll put that boot back down on it. We certainly don't like those type of vent covers because they got the legs that come down, and a lot of times the water will get up inside that leg. See if I can come back a little bit, maybe take some of the blur out of there. But it'll get off of that leg. Maybe I'll zoom up a little bit. See what it's doing here. Give me a second. There we go. See the right there. Water will get in there. When it does, it'll start seeping in. I don't like those type legs at all, but maybe we can do something for him on that, because I see another one over here. Move the camera real slow so you don't get seasick with me. See the same thing. So since I'm on this ladder, I can't try to slide my hand out of here. And I don't know if this will show up or not. I got a little LED pointer. Let's see if that'll work, so I can maybe point it out to you a little better. I don't know if it's showing up on the camera there. Doesn't look like it's showing up because I'm shining it. Doesn't want to show up. There it is. Yep. All right. It's just me then. So what I'm talking about is right there. Right there, water will trickle inside that leg, inside this leg, and when the water gets in there, there's screws right here. There's a screw over here, and then the water will get up underneath those screws. So like I said, we'll just give it a quick inspection. He didn't come in for all that, but that's something we may just get for him. So if he's rolling out, we don't want to have any major problems with it while he's going down the road. But all right, so we're gonna zoom this back a little bit. So now we're gonna go inside, like I said, take all the fascia trim off, and we're gonna start getting this thing fabbed up. All right, so what we did, we obviously tore this piece up because it just didn't look well. So we tore that up. And then on this other slide, on the opposite, on the forward slide, we had a little bit here, so we're going to patch that into. We don't want to have any bad wood in there. So we've got our roof panels made up. As soon as this is ready to go, but this other one here, you can see we got the fan on it. We're trying to dry it out, and then we'll glue a new piece on, and then we'll glue our metal panel on there too, and it'll be done. This is our Travel Star. So we got the roof all done, and then what we did, we brought it outside because it was raining today, so we wanted to check it. I'm going to show you what this roof looks. We did both of them. We're going to get this ladder over here. There we go. So we tried to get a color of the metal to match the coach. But that's it. It's nice and clean. You're not going to have any trouble with it. It's all done. Then on the inside, see, the way we do it, there's no tape, but it's all been sealed. All the screws been sealed. It's sealed underneath. It's done. You won't have any issue with it. Same with this one. It looks nice and clean. You don't have to worry about something trying to puncture the roof or anything like that. You know, no twigs or anything gonna get in between there. So, that's us. Probably get that screw out from there. I think I will. Thanks for watching.